Hi everybody, this is Andy. Welcome to this video. I found this jewelry chest of drawers in this garbage container in my building as I was coming home from work. I was surprised because I never find anything in the trash. I loved it, so I decided to take it home. I don't like the decoupage design and it is dirty. The drawers didn't have anything valuable, but I like its shape. I think it's got possibilities, and this could be a perfect Christmas present. Come with me and let's see what I can do with it. I'll start by cleaning this piece with soapy water. I'll try to get rid of all the dirt and grime it may have got from the trash container. I'll wash the drawers with dish soap and warm water. I love those golden flowers. Even if this piece is made of MDF, it is so hot here in Santiago that everything will get dry almost immediately. It was too hot to continue doing anything that day. The following day was hot but bearable, and there was a nice breeze in my balcony, so I proceeded to do some repairs. I cleaned the bottom of the piece and then glued the loose part. And then clamped everything and let it dry. Then it was time to start sanding the piece. I began with 120 grit sandpaper to get rid of all the original top coat. This is not real wood, so I don't need to sand everything. I just need my surface to be smooth and ready for my paint to adhere. I finished sanding with 240 grit. I cleaned the sawdust with a humid rag. And then I started masking the drawers to receive the gold paint. This is so DIY, kind of an art attack project. This is relaxing, especially while enjoying my favorite YouTube channels. After a while, the drawers are ready to receive a fresh spray of gold. I want this piece to shine.
child of Bethlehem, descended to us, we pray.
The body will also receive its dose of gold, so I'll protect the interior with paper and tape.
Be born to us today. We hear the Christmas angels, the great glad tidings tell. Oh, come to us, abide with us, our Lord Emmanuel.
Now gold and more gold. Love it. Wow, these drawers look great.
For Christ is born of Mary, and gathered all above, while mortals sleep.
Now I'll protect the gold paint before I start applying color to the piece.
Wondering love, oh, morning stars together proclaim the holy birth, and praises sing to God the King, and peace to men on earth, and praises sing to
I'll use some artisanal chalk paint in navy blue.
and peace to men.
I'll apply it with a synthetic bear brush.
Up on the housetop,
I love this color and the texture of this paint.
good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
I have to stop because Milo needs his evening walk. I usually take him out 2 or 3 times a day. Now, during the summer, I avoid walking him in the heat. After an hour of walking and playing, I continue painting the drawers. It all got dry really fast. However, the coverage over the gold spray is not so good, so I decided to sand lightly and spray some shellac all over the piece before doing a second coat.
All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, ho,
And it worked like a charm. I only needed one more coat to achieve the coverage I needed.
down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
To give the drawers a special touch, I'll use this stencil. You may remember it from a buffet I did a couple of months ago. I'll leave a link in the description below. I'll apply the paint for the stencil using a tiny foam stencil brush. What a beautiful pattern! For touch-ups, I sprayed some gold paint on a piece of wood and then used an artist brush and a tiny foam brush to apply gold paint where I felt it was necessary. If you have enjoyed this video so far, please click on the like button. This will help my channel enormously. Also, consider subscribing to the channel and become a part of this community of people who enjoy flipping furniture and DIY projects. As a top coat, I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum spray in satin. I'll apply 3 coats for good protection. I'll end this project applying wax to all the drawers. I'll also apply wax inside and outside the piece. Not only for protection, but to make the colors more vibrant. After buffing the excess wax with a microfiber rag, it is time to see the finished piece. Remember this piece found in the trash? Here it is now. I am in love with the colors. Love all the gold. This is going to be a Christmas present for my sister-in-law. I hope she likes it. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and all your wishes come true. I'll be uploading another video on the 1st of January, so this is the last video of 2022. Milo also loved the piece and wanted to wish you all a beautiful Christmas as well. Did you like the piece, Milo? What do you want to tell our YouTube friends? Good boy. Thanks for watching.